Hi John, I prepared a quick video for you, and probably I'm not looking into the aesthetic of the video, so the quality of the video is not as professional as it should be. Please excuse me for that. Okay, so this is your data set I'm looking at, right? So what I told you is to convert into to record them. So easy way to record them is to click on transform and select automatic record. We want a variable, your variable that is, we want to be recorded into different variable, right? So I give the variable name as LV1. So, or maybe I can give it RV1 and the new variable. You just simply have to select the lowest value and click OK. Right, so so your variable is created in Excel, and there you can see the RV1. You do not have to even enter any value in the label. It's automatically created. Isn't it cool? Then there is the cool stuff starts right away. Click on Chart Builder and then click OK. Select, let me reset all these things. Select a variable for which you wanted to, create a depth level kind of thing. So select a chart first. This is a bar chart I'm selecting. You may select a pie and etc. I'm transferring this, locating this variable, the new variable that I created on x-axis, and then, the variable of ethnicities, or those variables I'm selecting by pressing Ctrl button and then shifting it here. You see here plus sign. Once you get a plus sign, you should drop all the variables. Right. This will give you some dialog box, so you shouldn't be very careful to. You should not worry about it. Click OK. Now, since this variable is created, only thing here you need to follow through is click on, let's say, bar 1, and you want a mean of those that level, right? Or you can have median, you can have a group median, or you can even select a cumulative sum, right? So depending upon your requirement, but for the demonstration purpose, I'm showing it you as a mean of those. And then only thing that you need to do is click OK. And once you click OK, this is the graph I think you're looking for, right? So Hispanic Latino with this blue color, right? You can see here, know that the yellow bar, which is having people with the lowest debt, are the white people, right? And so on and so forth. If you want to change the scale, you can little dig deeper and explore how to change the scale. Probably you should be double clicking on it, and you can click here to change the scale, and it will ask you something, if you want to rescale the chart, right? You can do it that way. All right, so this is how you can create a multiple variable graph in SPSS. All right, I hope that helps. And one more thing, before I sign off, this variable are all the kind of, it's not a string variable. I don't know why this D stands for, so I just ignore it. Right, I don't know the meaning of D. If you think that they are 0 and it is being typed, so SPSS has by default, or because there is a string in it, the letter in it, SPSS consider it a string variable, but it should be a scale variable in order to run, because they are numbers, right? They are not the character variables. So only thing is that after you change that the character, like D, what I see, you should be able to convert the variable from the string to the scale. So make sure that all the variables are in the scale category. Okay, and the scale variable in here, scale measure, except the variable that you created, right? That recoded. There is a categorical variable, so that doesn't make sense to convert into scale. All right, I hope that helps, and I think that should address what you're looking for. Alrighty, okay then. Have a good day.